The Breville BES870XL espresso machine is a top-tier option for those who love crafting cafe-quality beverages at home. Designed with a brushed stainless steel finish, this elegant espresso coffee machine combines durability with modern aesthetics. Its standout feature is the integrated conical burr grinder, which ensures freshly ground coffee for every cup. With a user-friendly interface, precise temperature control, and manual steam wand, it empowers users to perfect their espresso shots, lattes, and cappuccinos. Ideal for both beginners and seasoned baristas, this machine strikes a balance between functionality and customization, making it a must-have for coffee lovers. To ensure maximum satisfaction, customers should prioritize maintenance and proper usage. Begin by using high-quality coffee beans and adjust the grinder settings for the desired fineness. Regular cleaning of the machine, especially the grinder and steam wand, is essential to prevent residue buildup and maintain optimal performance. Familiarize yourself with the machine's manual to understand the proper extraction techniques and troubleshoot any issues. For consistent results, use filtered water and descale the machine periodically. With these practices, the Breville BES870XL espresso coffee machine will consistently deliver rich, aromatic coffee, making it a worthwhile addition to your kitchen. The Jevi espresso machine is an excellent choice for coffee enthusiasts seeking a high-quality brewing experience at home. This compact, super-automatic espresso coffee machine offers a seamless way to prepare rich, flavorful espresso, cappuccinos, and lattes. Equipped with a high-pressure system, it ensures a robust coffee extraction for a perfect crema every time. The integrated milk frother and steam wand add versatility, allowing you to craft barista-quality beverages with ease. Whether it's for your morning coffee ritual or entertaining guests, this espresso coffee machine delivers consistent performance and is an ideal gift for coffee lovers, including parents who enjoy a touch of luxury. To ensure customer satisfaction, follow these tips. First, always use fresh, finely ground coffee beans for the best flavor. Regularly clean the machine, especially the milk frother and brewing unit, to maintain hygiene and efficiency. The intuitive controls and compact design make it user-friendly, even for beginners. Lastly, review the user manual for troubleshooting tips and maintenance advice to extend the machine's lifespan. With its combination of style, convenience, and performance, the Jevi espresso machine is a worthwhile investment for anyone who values great coffee at home. The DeLonghi La Specialista Arte Evo espresso machine is a sophisticated choice for coffee lovers who value precision and versatility. Designed with innovation in mind, this espresso coffee machine features a built-in grinder to deliver freshly ground coffee in customizable grind sizes. Its ability to craft cold brew adds a unique touch, perfect for refreshing beverages. The manual milk frother allows users to create creamy, velvety textures for lattes and cappuccinos, while the included barista kit ensures a professional-grade coffee-making experience. With its sleek design and user-friendly controls, this machine is a centerpiece for any kitchen, elevating your coffee ritual. To maximize satisfaction with your DeLonghi La Specialista Arte Evo, use premium coffee beans and experiment with grind settings to achieve the perfect extraction. Clean the grinder and frother regularly to maintain performance and flavor quality. Mastering the manual frothing technique takes practice, but it ensures you can create beverages tailored to your preference. Use the barista kit for precise tamping and dosing, ensuring consistent results. Finally, follow the user manual for maintenance tips, including descaling to keep the machine in top condition. With care and practice, this espresso coffee machine will reward you with exceptional coffee every time. The DeLonghi Magnifica Plus fully automatic espresso machine is a versatile and user-friendly choice for coffee lovers who appreciate convenience and quality. This espresso coffee machine features an automatic milk frother and a built-in grinder, making it easy to prepare over 18 one-touch recipes, including espresso, cappuccino, latte, and macchiato. Its sleek stainless steel design complements any kitchen, while its intuitive controls allow users to customize coffee strength, size, and temperature. The advanced brewing system ensures consistent flavor extraction, providing barista-quality coffee from the comfort of your home. This machine is ideal for busy mornings or hosting gatherings, delivering perfect results with minimal effort. To ensure customer satisfaction, start by using fresh, high-quality coffee beans to maximize flavor. Adjust the grinder settings to suit your preferred coffee strength and take advantage of the one-touch options for effortless brewing. Regular cleaning is crucial, particularly for the milk frother and grinder, to prevent buildup and maintain performance. Descale the machine periodically to ensure a long lifespan and consistent results. Familiarize yourself with the user manual to explore all 18+ recipe options and customization features. With proper care, the DeLonghi Magnifica Plus Expresso coffee machine will elevate your coffee experience, making every cup a delight. The Frigidaire 20-bar small espresso machine is a compact and stylish solution for anyone seeking to create delicious cafe-style beverages at home. With its 20-bar high-pressure pump, this espresso coffee machine ensures optimal extraction, delivering rich and aromatic espresso with a perfect crema layer. Its stainless steel design adds a modern touch to any kitchen while offering durability. Equipped with a built-in milk frother, this machine makes it simple to prepare creamy cappuccinos, silky lattes, and more. The included tamper helps ensure even coffee grounds for consistent results, making it a reliable choice for beginners and seasoned coffee enthusiasts alike. To achieve the best performance and satisfaction with your Frigidaire espresso coffee machine, always use high-quality coffee grounds and clean the frother after each use to maintain its efficiency. Tamp your coffee grounds evenly for balanced flavor extraction and allow the machine to preheat for optimal brewing conditions. Regular cleaning of the machine's components, including the drip tray and water reservoir, will keep it in top condition. For long-term care, descale the machine periodically to prevent mineral buildup. By following these simple tips, this compact and efficient espresso coffee machine will provide you with consistently delightful coffee experiences.